Hello everyone, you all are welcome in this today's video. So today we are here with the details of world's fastest and easiest way to earn, which has the ability to make your future financially stable. So today we are talking about Trade NFT, where in this particular video we will be discussing all the financial benefits which you can get from here, and the official website of this platform is www.tradenft.live. So without taking a lot of your time, let's directly start with the introduction details. So Trade NFT. This is the ultimate platform for buying, selling and trading NFTs with automated precision to maximize your profits. If we talk about the benefits which you will get with the association with this platform, so here you will get to see automated NFT trades. So you don't have to worry and you don't have to analyze it 24/7. You will get rewarding trading experience, secured and transparent platform, and user-friendly interface which can provide you proper benefits. You will get multiple more advantages with Trade NFT because the main strength pillars of this platform is that its resilience, innovation, integrity, adaptability makes it unique from all the available platforms. If we talk about the mission and vision of this platform, so the main mission is to revolutionize NFT trading along with automated, rewarding and secure transactions which can maximize your profits effortlessly. And the main vision is to be the world's leading NFT marketplace, empowering traders with innovation, automation and financial growth. So basically, the platform believes in the power of community, and through that even you can earn greater benefits. Where if we talk about the working structure, so you just have to register and start trading. You can also share your referral link with other peoples to earn in unlimited amount. So basically the entire working structure works like this, where join via referral link. You have to sign up using a referral link to become a part of the Trade NFT ecosystem. Then you can choose and activate a trading pack which we will discuss in the upcoming time so that you can unlock NFT trading opportunities. After that, you can use your trading fund to buy and sell NFTs, generating profitable returns. And you can also refer others using your unique referral link, and you will be eligible to earn passive income from your downlines trade. So that's how the hard work and smart work both are going to provide you unlimited benefit from here. So before enrollment, here are some points which you can get through so that you can get the maximum benefit according to your potential. So before enrollment, you should properly understand the market. You should learn about the gas fee. Security is the main key, and you will also get to see diversify investments. So now let's directly talk about the complete income model. So various bot packages are available here, where if you are taking the package of $10, then on this you will get 0.10 matching points. Matching benefit would be 10%, capping on closing would be $20, and the validity for this would be of 1 month. If you are getting the bot package of amount $50, then on this you will get 0.50 matching points along with 10% matching benefit. Capping on closing would be $100 and the validity of the package would be 6 months. And if you are getting the bot package of $1,000, then on this you will get 1 matching point along with 10% matching benefit. Capping on closing would be $200 and the validity of package would be 12 months. So you can select the available bot packages, after which you will be eligible to get the income of more than 9 types, such as the direct income, matching income, silver community bonus, gold community bonus, reward, profit sharing bonus, trading profit, super bonus, level income and royalty income. Here are some important notes before we move ahead, that the leg matching would be 1:1, daily capping limit is 2x of the highest trading package, and for that 2 direct are compulsory. And with this only, let's discuss about the very first income which you will get from here, which is the direct income. So whenever you are directly referring any person in your team, so from the first referral, you will earn 10% of their bot package amount. From the second referral, you will earn 20% of their bot package amount. From the third referral, you will earn 30% of their bot package amount. And fourth direct onwards, here you will unlock 40% which you will get from each of the referral. And here you will get 40% of their bot package amount. So this is how you can join today to maximize your income, where this income is based on the bot activation fee. Whereas moving ahead, if we talk about the matching income which you can get from here, so whenever you are able to complete a pair in the ratio of 1:1, then you will get the matching benefit of 10% on the bot activation fee. The capping is 2 times of the package. You need to do at least 2 direct referrals to be eligible to get this matching income, and 2x times of the highest trading package is the capping limit, which I have already told you, that's on daily basis. Plus, here, this income is also based on the bot activation fee. Now, let's move ahead to talk about the Silver Club community bonus. So, friends, a Silver Club fund will be established by deducting 5% from every withdrawal. So, as a user, if you can complete 25 pairs within 1 month from your date of activation, then you will qualify for the Silver Club community membership. And as a member of this club, you will receive an equal share of the club's monthly income so that you can get consistent and rewarding benefit. But there is a small note over here that either you can be a part of the Silver Club community or else you can be the part of the Gold Club community, which we are going to discuss ahead. You can only be the part of any one community out of these. So once you qualify for a specific pool, then you will remain in that category and will not be eligible for the other. So now let's talk about the Gold Club community bonus. So if you want to be a member of this Gold Club community, then you have to complete 100 pairs within 1 month from the date of your activation. If you have completed this target, then you will be eligible to have the membership of the Gold Club community. Now, for this also 5% from every withdrawal would be deducted, and as a part of Gold Club community, you will get the equal share of the club's monthly income. This income is also based on the bot activation fee over here. Now let's move ahead to talk about the amazing rewards which you can get from here. So these rewards will be provided to you if you are able to complete left and right business points. And here the point calculation would be done only on equal matching